Hello guys! Welcome to Ali Venture. For today's video, we are here at Kernville River para maligo kasi ang init. Ang daming tao dito sa ilog guys, hanggang doon yan sa taas. Kaya tingnan mo naman ang ganda ng ilog, oh. Malamig yung tubig. Kaya marami ang nagsiswimming kaya sobrang dami ng tao. Parang nag-i-enjoy siya sa weather dito. Sobrang init, 107 degrees ba naman. Sabi guys, ang init. Ay Ali, sobrang init dito. Where? Oh. Ay guys, ang ganda dito sa ilog kasi malamig yung tubig kahit na mainit. Ayun yung mga kasamahan natin doon. Tulungan natin sila kuha ng ating mga gamit. They have multiple stores right here. You can buy ice cream. There's also the like a little grocery store where you can buy some floaties and snacks for kids. The parking is right here. It's very limited, so it's kind of like first come first serve, and there's a park right there, and then down is the river. Ito lang yung store niya dito guys. Marami siyang binibenta rin dito. Mura lang din yung mga tube nila, oh. 6,988 lang. Tapos may mga ice cream din siya. Ice kung kailangan, mga snacks. She has all kinds of things right here. Really nice ones. Inflate your inflatables here for $1. And she's doing it outside the store. Like I said, she can inflate your floaties here for $1. Kaya namin guys, tinalian namin yung mga floaty namin para hindi maanod yung mga bata o doon kasi ang lakas ng alon ng tubig. Dito rin ang daming mga tao. Hi mother! Hi Jacob! Hello! Ito sa Kern River sa ilalim ng Sequoia National Park. Ayan, ang daming tao guys hanggang doon sa taas. Oh, grabe. Ang daming mga tao guys, sobrang init. Ayan yung mga kasamahan natin dyan. Sobrang init guys. Ayan. Come on, right here. Woo! I know. Ang gagaling nila. Pinamala. Sige. Sabi ni Pancake, try daw namin din yan mag-river rafting. Guys, ang sarap ng tubig. Mainit siya pero malamig yung tubig. So perfect din siya. Kasi ang daming tao dito na nag-i-enjoy din. Nandun si Ali sa taas, so maglilipat sila dito sa area ko kasi mayroong parang water pools. Sa gilid lang kami kasi malakas yung alon ng tubig guys. Sobrang lakas. So if ever you guys decided to come here and visit the Kernville River, make sure that you keep an eye on your kid, and also I suggest that they wear a vest for safety. Because it's the water is so strong. There's a lot of people doing the river rafting right now too. Hi Ali! Go Koya! You can do it! Go, go, go! Bye! That's your second time around. Wow! Ang galing! Kuya! Look at here! Wow! Ang galing ni Jacob pa second time around niya na yan. Yung ninong niya nag-iintay doon sa dulo. Wow! And now it's my turn and Woa's turn to go floating around. And then Ali decided to join us. She wants to also try to float around. And it's really safe, guys, because Ali has her life vest. And also we get the floaties, but there's a lot of people down below there and helping us to go on the side. Because at the end, at the bottom, a little bit down, it's really shallow. And there's like sandbar area right there. So people help us to go on the side. But if you guys try to do this, make sure that there's people below to catch you and help you guys to go on the side.
Go, go.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great time like we did. Bye!